Well, hello my fine gardening friends, how the devil are you? Welcome to a beautiful early morning here in equally beautiful Nova Scotia. Early spring, what is it? April, mid-April, so early spring in here. The birds are starting to sing. Really excited now coming out here in the morning, so I can get out here at 6:30 in the morning to get a bit of work done before I do my, my proper job. And you can hear the birds, all the different birds twittering, whether it be the American robins or the what am I thinking of? The woodpeckers. I can hear the woodpeckers pecking away and giving some other sort of noises that they do, the big ones we have here. So lots of birds coming and singing now, which is absolutely fantastic. But I am here doing my apple trees a bit late, as it happens, doing my apple trees, and I've got some other dogwoods I need to cut as well. So I'm in the orchard, as most of you, the regular viewers know. There's about 5 apple trees, so as well as this one behind me, got one just there, one at the back. One was an apple tree, but that's a pear tree now because the apple tree died. Another one on the side there, and a couple of step over apples, as you can see, lining the path there. And as you can see, I've just trained them so that they go along a low fence, and that's just a nice way of growing an apple tree if you haven't got a lot of space. You've got space that way but not a lot of up space for the apple tree to take up, so that's a good way of growing apple trees there. And I think I might have a link up there on a bit more on the step over apple tree when I planted it and all that sort of stuff. But I am pruning these apple trees, and there's lots going on. These are about 5 years old, these apple trees now, so that I'm going to need a ladder in some respects, but what I just want to tidy it up. Things like, there's a crossing branch there. I want to get rid of that. Any dead any dead branches, I want to sort of get rid of them. Anything really pointing inwards, I want to get rid of them. I want to get it to a point where really you want to be able to, I think as Monty says on Gardener's World, a pigeon wants to be able to fly through easily, probably when it's escaping from a sparrowhawk, but there you go. So anything like that. I might get rid of this big one here actually, so a few of these different ones to get through. So why don't I get on it and sort of show you what it's going to be like anyway. But anyway, this one here, definitely want to get rid of this crosser, so I'm going to get going. I've noticed even the lupins are starting to come up in the garden now, which is nice. This is in the summer, as you can see, it'll be covered with lupins all around. Absolutely beautiful it is. Right, that one. This one here, I don't like the way this is growing downwards, so I'm going to get the saw and cut this one away as well. It's getting a nice sort of bowl shape now it's growing up with the training. So there's a couple just crossing here. I think I'll get rid of this one as it's sort of going downwards. Nice cut as close as possible. That one's going to end up crossing, so I'm going to get rid of that. Going inwards. That one, I think. I'll take these back. That looks like a dead one. This one here. I'm going to take this out altogether, I think. Nicer. This one here, coming inwards, might as well get rid of that one. Be able to get an eagle through there now. That one there. That one. That one. Can you hear the woodpecker? A couple of them, I think. That one. So there we go. Nice and easy. Not that much to do now. Now I've got it sort of mostly trained into that area. I don't always have to, you know, do too much pruning. If you keep on top of it, it's like a 15-minute job. So I've got rid of that big long one that was in there. So I've got that open habit all around. Got rid of lots of the inward facing ones. There's a few still there, but that should be good for the year now. I might prune later on in the summer a little bit more, but as it is, that'll set the tree off beautifully for the springtime. Should have lots of apples on here. Can't remember, what is this? Liberty, this one. Nice apples these were, Liberty. Now on to the next ones. Get all of these done, then I'm on to the dogwoods. But first, a bit of breakfast, I think. Job's a good one.